Welcome! If you want to switch on or off screen touches in screen recorder into a SONY Xperia 10 3rd edition, first of all open your top navigation bar and find screen recorder audio. If you don't have this button here, need click to pencil, then need scroll down, find this button here and then press and hold to top. And that's it. And for saving, click back. And now when we added this button here, need click. And here we got our show touches on screen option. Now I got turn off this option. So for switch on this option, click here to the switcher and click start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.